guys don't think of him as like a, you know, a deep thinker, but really,
what are you saying? This man is amazing.
So if you had to define me, how would you say you thought of me then?
In one word.
Come on, guy.
In one word.
As we're talking about going into this first corner, let's hear this.
Handsome.
It's hard, man, when you know there's going to be some kamikaze action.
2 minutes, Sean. 2 minutes.
Where are our boys?
Can you kick our boy's ass out of here again? Cruising over to you, looking like an aircraft pilot.
Giving it the fashionable rock star approach, is he?
Are we up already? Whoops. My bad. Thanks. It's like, where's the other cars?
It's all good, buddy.
Gotta be another, I don't know, minute at least, minute and a half.
The only thing that you're concerned with is the green light. Green light, boom, explode, you're gone.
This will be a 6-lap event. Supercar heat coming on course.
This is round 7. Tomorrow is round 8 for this doubleheader weekend at the Port of Los Angeles. Thank you, Port of LA, for playing host to this historic event.
The home of the brave.
If we get on a podium, I'm not going on my 5 o'clock flight.
Sean, display the 30-second board.
But whatever happens, thank you guys for all the work. You are one hell of a team. Much appreciated.
Sean, 10 seconds.
Lights are up. Wait for green.
Clean start. Clean start. Stop and go penalty for aggressive driving in turn 2.
His tire's got to be gone any second.
PK Jr. got into the back of Bucky LASEK.
Red flag, red flag. They acknowledge PK caused the incident. PK is getting a warning. Bucky, you can bring it in and fix it. Dude, better not touch you again. We got this. One link, you're fine. Keep it clean, keep it clean. Good job, keep digging. Outside, outside. Keep digging, keep digging. All right, close the gas best you can. Joker this lap, Joker this lap.
Yeah! Bang!
Go, 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 go. Get half a link. Drive to the finish, eyes up the finish, eyes up the finish. Check on this time, you're doing great, man.
Oh my gosh. I'll take it, man. Wow.
Good result, good result. Happy with that.
In the Red Bull Hyundai Veloster, here's BRICE. Let's go!